Hi guys, I'm back again. So don't be abusing me if you are not like my lecture. If you do not like my lecture, so just comment me and I stop this series. If you like, then I ready to make all the lecture for your series. So let's start the 8.2. This is the main topic of graph theory. So what is the graph and multigraph? So a graph consists two things. This just remember this. Okay, remember this thing. A set V equivalent to vertices of G whose elements are called vertices. V is vertices. Okay, points, node of G. So whatever you called, and so just you can choose here points, node, vertices, and another thing, set of E. What is the unordered pair? It is of distinct vertices called as E is as is. Okay, E is as is. Just remember this as. So we denote such a graph by G, graph of B of E, ordered pair of graph. So we write the vertices here and edges here when we want to emphasize two part of G. So let's talk about deeply. So this is the problem. Vertices U and B are said to be adjacent. What is the meaning of adjacent? Adjacent means a join. You join me. If you see my lecture, you joining me. You adjacent me. If there is an as E equivalence U comma B, in such a case U and B called end point. Okay. E is said to be connect U and B, may be possible. Also the as E said to be an incident on each of its endpoint U and B. Graph are pictured by diagram in plane in a natural way. Specifically, each vertices B in B vertices is represented by a dot or a small circle. So this is called the node. So how can you draw the V consists the vertices A, B, C. So how can you draw this? Just make four node A, B and C and D, and this is the order pair E1. This is the edge. This line is the edge. These line edge. So where our graphs go, A and 1. First A to 1, A to B. So this is E1, and A to B. This is E1. E2, B to C, B to C, E2, and C to D, E3, and A to C, A to C, E4, and similarly A5. So this is the multigraph thing. Okay, A to C, A to D, and this is D to D. This is the self loop, D to D. This is the reflexive, and B to C and C to B. So this is called the multigraph. So what is the limitation, condition, and principle of multigraph? So let's talk about here multigraph. Consider a diagram, this diagram. And I already tell you the multigraph. So this is the just written form, don't be afraid. This E4 and E5 are called multi-edges. E4 and E5 multi-edges since they connect the same endpoint and each S6 called a loop. I already tell you loop, self loop. This is known as self loop since its endpoint are same vertices. Such a diagram is called multigraph. Okay, this diagram. Bus, this is finished. This is the multigraph. Remark. Some texts using the text graph including multigraph use the term simple graph mean a graph without multiplying edges and loop. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel and you can join us on Facebook, WhatsApp, GitHub, Pinterest, Google Plus, anything at all. Thank you for watching.